Every time you multiply it by another factor here, right? Because we're doing a plus b to the fourth now. Every time you put another factor in there, it's going to, well, for this is going to double the amount of terms you have in total, right? Here's going to be 16 terms if we haven't simplified this. Of course, we could have simplified this, right? And we're going to see the connection with that after, right? But what's the first term going to be here? A to the fourth. What's the last term going to be? B to the fourth, right? You know, from this or from the other pairing there. All the ones in the middle, let's think in an organized way about this. What's the next type of term we're going to have here? Yeah, a cubed b, right? A cubed b. How many ways is there going to be to pair that up? If we have 3 of these, we can pair that with the a. Or what's the other way you can get that? A cubed and b here, right? There's going to be 4 ways that happens. Right? There's 4 ways that happens to get a cubed b. So if you really want, you can... oops, forgot my b. I don't think I'm going to make enough terms here because how many are the middle here? Lots of ways you can get the one in the middle. Okay, how many ways are there the ones in the middle? There's 6, right? Because the middle terms are going to be what here? This is that. This is the next thing here. There's 4 of those. Yeah, the a squared b squared. How many ways is there to get a squared b squared? You can have the a, you can have this a times any one of those 3, right? That gives you a squared b squared. Or what's the other way you could have it? Yeah, the b times a squared b. There's 6 ways you can get this. I'm going to attempt to fit them in here. A squared b squared plus a squared b squared plus a squared b squared plus, but I won't say it every time. How about that? How many is that? A squared b squared. I said I wasn't going to say it, and I am. Okay, we need some more. So there's 6 ways to get that. There's the 6 ways for that. We can do the other ones down below here, I guess. Almost, maybe. What's the... Yeah, we have ab cubed, and we have that 4 times, right? I realize that this is kind of painful having to write it out the long way here. Plus ab cubed. And what's the last one we said? I took it away for some reason. Doesn't like to give me more paper here. It's very weird. We'll make a display smaller here. Oh, there we go. Good call. What's this one? B to the 4th. So you have the same as before here. You have, maybe we'll leave that the same. And maybe we'll do this. Kind of ugly color, but that's okay. Okay, so you have 4 of each of those. Obviously, if this was written out the short way, you would have a to the 4th plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab to the 3rd plus b to the 4th. Don't forget that there is actually a 1 here, even though you don't write it. It's 1b to the 4th because there's 1 of them. Right? So that comes from there. That comes from that one. And we continue along here. Okay, so that's, you should be able to follow the pattern and then, you should be able to follow the pattern and write it out without going through the long thing like that, doing it the long way. Can you try doing a plus b to the 5th all the way to the simplified version? Okay, try doing it all the way to the simplified version here. What you might want to notice is this is just combinations. This is just how many ways from 4 brackets, how many ways can you choose or you could choose 0 b's. This is from 4 brackets, how many ways can you choose 4 b's? This number here, this 4, this is from 4 brackets, how many ways can you choose 1 b? And so on. Hang on a sec, okay?